Hi guys, Gary here for Cruising with Classic Cars and Hot Rods here at the 2023 Cabin Fever event with Jeff and Jen from Gears in Heaven. How are you guys?
Doing great. How about you?
Good, good. Tell us about your event up and coming and what your club or your organization is all about.
Sure. So Gears in Heaven, we're a 501c3 nonprofit organization, and our mission is to help the families of motorsport enthusiasts who have been killed or seriously injured in a vehicle accident. So the people that are here, people that are super into their cars, into their trucks, into their Jeep, their motorcycle, what have you, if tragedy befalls them on the road in any circumstance, we're there to help the family pick up the pieces as best as we can. And on Saturday, June 17th at Lime Rock Park, we're going to have our second annual Celebration of Life auto show where enthusiasts from all over bring out their custom cars, their trucks, their motorcycles, their ATVs. We put on a massive display at Lime Rock. There's sports car racing on the main track, and then we have the autocross, the FCP Euro proving grounds rented out. So in the afternoon, participants of our show can really test the performance of their vehicles, learn from the professional racing staff that's there, techniques and skills to develop their skills on the road. And everyone shares the passion and the stories of all the fallen motorsports. It's really a celebration of life for everybody.
That's awesome. Now, I believe Lime Rock also has safety courses, the Bob Bondurant safety courses there, right?
Yeah, they have several, all different levels from just, novice drivers all the way up through advanced drivers. Safety courses on all different tips, techniques, driving conditions, snow courses, wet courses. And for people with normal cars, moms in minivans to all the way up to high performance vehicles like the ones that are at today's show.
Right. That's incredible. So what do you partake about the Gears in Heaven in your role?
Well, I'm a registered nurse.
Okay.
So I do a couple of different things besides, helping each other out. I also act as a liaison between the hurt or injured party in the hospital and the family. So sometimes, the family doesn't know what to do. They get a bunch of medical jargon is thrown at them.
Yeah.
They don't really know what to do, so I am the one that goes in between and says, this is how it's going to be, or this is what road your loved one is going down, to really spell it out for them so they understand. Also, we offer peer support on the line, so other mothers can contact me since I lost my son. Sometimes you just want to talk to another mother. Sometimes that's the only person that's really going to understand. So I do that as well.
And the sharing of the trauma and the stories and the bonding and encouraging one another for support. It's incredible and it's much needed. So.
And that's what we try to do, is be a conduit for all the community that's around us now. The bikers, the car crews, the truck squads, bring everybody together. When something happens, it brings out the brotherhood and the sisterhood in everybody.
Right.
So helping with memorial services, chores and errands, fundraisers, really everybody in this whole community knows the story or personally has been affected by something horrible on the road. So there's all something we can all bring to the table to help the families.
Absolutely, and never text and drive. One of the key things, ladies and gentlemen, especially the young kids today, new drivers, put the phone in the glove box. If you need it, pull over. Because what happens is the accidents are occurring, they're not even putting the brakes on. You have to be careful. The distracted driving is almost an epidemic right now. So please, be careful, drive safe. Jeff and Jen, I want to thank you.
Thank you,
Gary. Thank you much.
Thank you.
Awesome show. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm Gary for Cruising Classic Cars and Hot Rods here at Don Clady's event. And catch our Spotify, iHeartRadio, CCCHR Radio with our podcast. Thank you. Beautiful.
Awesome. That was great. Thank you so much.
Thank you, man.
Good.